Welcome back, PROMATION Nation. Are you an electronics manufacturer seeking the latest and greatest in robotic soldering technology? Look no further. Our Quick 9744 CJ Pro model has been exclusively designed for electronics manufacturers seeking ultimate machine flexibility and ultimate user utility. If you haven't already clicked that like and subscribe button, go ahead and do that now to make sure you're taking full advantage of all of our latest product launches and new product introductions. Let's begin by taking a closer look. The Quick 9744 CJ Pro model features our signature 180 watt power supply designed for improved temperature soak. Mated with our nitrogen-ready 180 watt soldering iron, the system features a robust temperature source and industry-leading temperature feedback loop. The power supply conveniently includes 3 easy recall preset soldering temperatures to reduce process changeover time. Up and down arrows allow users to precisely dial into a desired temperature. Our Pro Model Series floor-standing safety enclosure includes a locking lower security cabinet. Included in the lower safety cabinet is an onboard nitrogen generator and dual-port fume extraction system. The Quick Nitrogen Generator generates nitrogen at a 99.9% purity using only a compressed air line. Also included as part of the Pro Model Series upgrades is our Quick HMI touchscreen option. The touchscreen option allows users of different sign-in levels to access different robot functions, including I/O screen function lists, program lists, machine error reporting console, and more. The HMI upgrade allows users to select and run programs directly from a touch panel interface and removes the program editing teaching pendant from day-to-day production run operations. The Avon digital microscope camera and digital software allows users to capture still frame imagery and real-time soldering videos at the touch of a button. The Pro Model Series upgrade also includes dual solder tip cleaning stations, allowing users to prioritize their solder tip cleaning regimens from more frequent, non-invasive cleaning to less frequent, more aggressive cleaning. Our high-precision soldering robots utilize our signature solder tip correction device. This staging platform accurately takes measurements of the solder tip to improve surface contact and offset programs on the fly. An integrated light curtain promotes operator safety, while our generous working area offers the largest solder area available in the industry. The overhead robot gantry eliminates application weight limitations and keeps products stationary during the soldering cycle. Upon cycle completion, the robot head will move to a safe area, allowing the operator to enter the work cell and remove and replace completed product. Well everyone, this concludes our brief overview on the quick 9744 CJ Pro model. We hope this information has been useful to you in some way. If you like this product and would like to see more, be sure to visit us online at www.promationusa.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time, and remember to go pro.